When a record becomes available for validation, you will receive an email and you can then log into the platform to process it. To do so, first access your workspace by clicking on My Workspace. You will be redirected to a page listing the records you have created. To display the records pending validation, click on the drop-down menu on the right and select Records to Validate. The page will automatically refresh with the corresponding records. To start the validation, click on Claim under the record to be validated. Once this is done, several options are available. If you have reviewed the record and wish to add it to the collection, click on Approve. If the record cannot be added to the collection, click on Reject. You will then be asked to provide the reason for the rejection and specify whether the submitter may correct it and resubmit. To edit the record's metadata, click on Edit. If you wish to return the task to the team so that another user can claim it, click on Return to Pool. To view the record's metadata, click on View.